Welcome to our updated guide on how to delete your Gmail account. Follow these steps to successfully remove your Gmail account. To start, open the Gmail app on your Android phone. In the top right corner of the screen, tap on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Accounts on this device. Within the Account Management section, choose the specific Gmail account you wish to remove. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and tap on Remove Account. It's important to note that deleting your Gmail account will not delete your entire Google account. Only the Gmail service associated with that account will be removed. This means that your emails and mail settings will be deleted, and you will no longer be able to use that Gmail address to send or receive emails. Before proceeding with deleting your Gmail account, ensure that you have backed up any important emails or data that you wish to keep. Once you confirm the removal of your Gmail account, the process is irreversible. By following these simple steps, you can effectively delete your Gmail account while preserving the rest of your Google account. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been informative in navigating the process of deleting a Gmail account.